the thing about this, Candace, we're talking to moms, and that's a big part of your audience, okay, and women. One of the things that I found most shocking about the adverse events with these vaccines is the dysmenorrhea, the changes in women's menses. And this was widely reported by many, many women.
I reported it 7 months before it was acknowledged, and I had my post taken down on Twitter. And I reported it anecdotally. I said, I have a bunch of girlfriends who got the shot, and their periods either stopped or were extremely heavy. My girlfriend, and I'm sorry to cut you off here because I think it's so important to acknowledge that we covered this on my show, and I had to fight to cover it on my show because the executives were nervous about us getting hit, and I said, this is too important. One of my girlfriends, it's been a year, and her menstruation cycle still has not corrected. So she stopped getting a menstruation cycle. I mean, that's like for a woman to not get her menstruation cycle at 32 years old. And she's very alarmed, and they were being ignored, and she sent it to me, the articles that were gaslighting her in real time, saying that this is not true, this is not happening, anything could be contributing to this.
Exactly.
And she did what they wanted. That's what's so sad. These girls did what they wanted, got the vaccine, and then when they turned for help, we're told, you're a liar. For 7 months until they acknowledged, oh, okay, well, maybe some women are having this.
Liar, or the other one that's used again and again, and it was mentioned in the Ron Johnson hearings that just happened by one of the nurses, is they use the histrionic thing. Okay, I feel when it started rolling out, I was like, God, is this the 1950s? Have I just gone back a century? This whole thing that women are being histrionic is so mid-century, but that's how they rolled it out. And it's not just younger women, it's postmenopausal women that start having menstruation. That's another big one, which is for pathologists, which is part of my background, that's a red flag for cancer.